Been alone with you inside my mind, and in my dreams I've kissed your lips 1,000 times. I sometimes feel my heart will overflow. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can feel it in your eyes. I can see it in your smile. If you really were interested, would I have to write this kind of song? 'Cause we both know the goddamn answer. You are off with other men, doing other stuff. I've had enough. So maybe I should get the fuck out of here. Go out and find myself someone who really cares. Someone that I can my whole life share. But where is this woman? 'Cause I've got so much stuff to sing, and I have done almost everything. Been traveling, singing, working in many countries. Now I just want to relax, have a few parties here and there. But I want to find you, and with you, love.